So here in Idaho, Health and Welfare is following the federal guidance asking all providers to suspend use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. CBS 2's Ariana Piper tells us how this will impact Idaho's vaccine supply.
A spokesperson for Central District Health said this week's J&J allocations were significantly lower than previous weeks, with only 800 doses allocated last week. And last week, 6,700 doses were allocated to Ada, Boise, Elmore, and Vale counties. The Idaho Department of Health and Welfare encouraged Idaho vaccine providers not to use the Johnson & Johnson vaccine until more information is available from the CDC. Dr. Stephen Nemerson, the chief clinical officer at St. Alphonsus, said they primarily use the J&J vaccine at their mobile vaccine clinics.
We've administered approximately 550 doses of J&J vaccine going back several weeks. We've had no complications in patients that have received that vaccine.
Dr. Nemerson said the pause on the J&J vaccine shouldn't affect their distribution to rural populations.
We are able to keep up on our mobile vaccine clinics for now using the other products that are available.
Dr. Laura McGeorge with St. Luke's Internal Medicine says the J&J pause shouldn't affect their appointments too much either.
We only had one day of about 700 to 800 vaccines scheduled. We are in the process of reaching out to all of those patients and offering them a Moderna vaccine same day, same time.
Dr. Sky Blue, an infectious disease specialist at St. Alphonsus, says for those who've already gotten the J&J vaccine, some flu-like symptoms after getting the vaccine is normal, but there are some warning signs to look out for.
Headache, changes in thinking, dizziness, those sort of symptoms, if they're starting more than a week after your vaccination, certainly take those seriously and talk to your healthcare provider who knows your health background.
Dr. McGeorge says for those who are nervous about the J&J vaccine, they should still consider getting the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine.
Just looking in the U.S., it looks like there have been almost 250 million vaccines doses given so far. The overwhelming bulk of those are the Pfizer and Moderna. So I think we have a lot of confidence in those vaccines.
The Idaho Department of Health and Welfare has a vaccine briefing scheduled for 4:30 p.m. today. We'll have updates on that meeting tonight at 5:30 p.m. Live in the studio, Ariana Piper, CBS 2 News.